In this video, I will show you how to add gradient to circle path in Photoshop. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to add gradient to path in circle in Photoshop. So let's begin. The very first thing you need to do is to come down below right here. You have to make sure you create a new layer. Then having created a new layer, next thing you want to do is to go to your shape tools right here. Click and hold down. Then make sure you choose ellipse tool or circle. Okay. Then the next thing you need to do is to come to the property from the top right here. Right here, make sure shape is checked. Then you have to make sure you work on the fill color. Make sure no fill. Then right here, you have to make sure you apply your gradient at this point here. So for you to do that, you can simply click on gradient right here. Then you have it this way. So you can select from the options here. This is depend on the type of the gradient you would like to add. So I'm going to select on this. Immediately you select on that, then you're going to have stuff like this. Then you can change the direction of the gradient from linear to whatever option of your choice. So you can click on here to scroll down and see more options right here. You can choose from linear to radial. So and you can make the scale 100% or more. Then make sure align with layer. Okay. Next thing you want to do after you have properly format the gradient, next thing you want to do is to come to your workspace and draw your circle. So for you to draw a perfect circle, just press Shift key down on your keyboard. Then you drag, then you're going to have a perfect circle with the same angle, both width and height, just like what you see right here. Okay, so we can simply increase the width of this circle right here from the circle property. So we have to come down here and we increase it from here. So this is depends on how bigger you want the circle to be. Now we can change the style from dots to straight stroke. Then we can come back here and reduce the circle width. Then we can come back to the gradient style. We change from radial, we can change back to linear. So this is depends on how we want everything to look like. So let's check on linear. So we're still on radial. So I'm going to change to linear. Then we can simply control the angle from here. So I think I'm satisfied with stuff like this. I will simply drag my circle right here. Okay, so we can simply go back to our gradient effect right here. So right here we can work on the angle of the circle. Okay, so we can also add another gradient. So for us to do that, we can simply click on the middle right here and add another gradient slider right here. So I'm going to click on, double click on here. I will add something like yellow here. So once you're satisfied with the color, simply click on OK right here. You can also double click on here and change the color. Then I can use my eye color drop right here to pick on this particular color right here. Then I'll click on OK. And one more thing we can do here, we can also save this gradient into our gradient palette. For us to do that, we'll simply click on new right here. Then we have the new gradient saved in our gradient collection right here. So once you're satisfied, simply click on OK and you are good to go. So it's as simple as that. So we can simply align this particular circle into the center. So this is how to add gradient to path in Adobe Photoshop, a step-by-step guide. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Photoshop tricks like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.